Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian system of architecture and design, aims to harmonize energy flows in living spaces for well-being and prosperity. Here are some Vastu tips for a happy and healthy home. 1. Entrance door placement. Direction. According to Vastu Shastra, the entrance to your home plays a significant role in determining the flow of energy. The main entrance should ideally be in the north, east, or northeast direction. These directions are considered auspicious and invite positive energy, prana, into your home. Cleanliness. The entrance should always be clean and well lit. This signifies that your home welcomes positive vibes. It is important to avoid any clutter, such as shoes or garbage bins, near the entrance, as these can obstruct the smooth flow of energy. Decorative elements. You can place symbols of protection and prosperity at the entrance. A toran, a decorative garland, and a nameplate are considered good, as they symbolize ownership and clarity of identity. 2. Living room. Direction. The living room should be located in the east, north, or northeast portion of your home. These directions are associated with positive energy, sunlight, and air, making them ideal for social spaces. Furniture arrangement. Place large furniture items, such as sofas and cabinets, in the southwest direction. Keep the center of the living room open to allow free movement and a smooth flow of energy. Decor and colors. Use soothing colors like white, light green, or pastel shades for the living room walls. Avoid dark or bright shades, which can cause emotional instability or tension in the family. 3. Kitchen. Direction. The kitchen should be located in the southeast corner, which is ruled by the element of fire, Agni. If the southeast is not available, the northwest can be considered as an alternative. Never place the kitchen in the northeast, as it can disturb the health and finances of the occupants. Cooking position. While cooking, the person should face the east direction. This orientation is believed to bring good health and prosperity. Appliances and elements. Place the stove in the southeast and the water sink in the northeast or north direction, maintaining a balance between fire and water elements. The refrigerator should be placed in the southwest, avoiding conflict with the fire element. 4. Bedroom. Master bedroom location. The southwest corner of the house is ideal for the master bedroom. This direction brings stability and strength to the relationship between partners. Avoid placing the master bedroom in the northeast, as it can disturb mental peace and cause instability. Bed placement. The bed should be placed in the southwest part of the room, with the head of the bed facing south or east. Sleeping with the head pointing north is considered unfavorable and can lead to disturbed sleep and health problems. Colors and decor. Use soft, calming colors like light blue, soft green, or pastels in the bedroom to promote relaxation. Avoid sharp objects or harsh lighting in this room, as it may cause stress. 5. Bathroom and toilets. Location. Bathrooms and toilets should ideally be located in the northwest or southeast direction of the home. These areas help in the smooth removal of waste and negative energy from the house. Ventilation and lighting. Ensure that the bathroom is well ventilated and receives natural sunlight. This helps in the quick elimination of negative energies and promotes a healthy environment. Avoid in-bedroom corners. Never have a bathroom or toilet in the southwest corner of your house, as this can lead to health issues and financial instability. 6. Prayer room, puja room. Direction. The northeast part of the house is considered ideal for the prayer room, puja room. This direction, known as Ishan, is associated with divine energies. Clean and simple. The prayer room should be clean, clutter-free, and simple. Do not place it adjacent to or below a bathroom, as this is considered disrespectful. Lighting and colors. Use bright and soothing lights like oil lamps or candles. White, light yellow, and pastel shades are recommended for the walls to maintain a pure and serene ambience. 7. Mirrors. Placement. Mirrors have the power to reflect energy, so they must be placed with care. Place them on the north or east walls to attract positive energy. Avoid in bedrooms. Avoid placing mirrors directly opposite the bed or in front of the entrance door, as this can cause disturbed sleep and deflect positive energy entering the home. Mirrors that reflect the body while sleeping can create restlessness. 8. Colors for happiness. General rule: colors play an important role in Vastu Shastra as they influence mood and energy. The choice of colors in your home should align with the purpose of the room. Calming colors. Use light shades such as white, light yellow, pale green, and pastel hues in living spaces to create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Avoid dark and intense colors. In rooms like bedrooms and living areas, avoid dark or intense colors like red or black, as they can promote tension and emotional imbalance. 9. Indoor plants. Health and positivity. Plants are a great way to infuse fresh energy into the house. Placing plants like bamboo, money plant, tulsi, holy basil, and aloe vera in the northeast or southeast corners can improve the air quality and bring positive energy. Avoid thorny plants. Avoid thorny plants like cactus inside the house, as they can create negative energy and disturbances in relationships. Tulsi plant. Placing a tulsi plant in the northeast direction is highly beneficial, as it purifies the atmosphere and enhances spiritual energy. 10. Lighting. Natural light. Ensure that there is enough natural sunlight entering your home, especially from the east and north sides. Sunlight not only purifies the space but also fills the home with positive energy and vitality. Artificial lighting. Keep the house well lit at all times, especially in the evenings. Dim or inadequate lighting can create a sense of gloom and reduce the energy levels of the occupants. Use of lamps. In the evenings, light up your house with soft, warm lighting such as lamps or candles. This creates a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. 11. Clutter-free spaces. Decluttering. A cluttered home can obstruct the smooth flow of energy, leading to stress, confusion, and a feeling of heaviness. Always keep your home, especially important areas like the entrance, living room, and bedroom, free of unnecessary items. Storage. Avoid storing things under the bed or in corners, as stagnant energy can accumulate in these spaces, disrupting harmony and peace. Regular cleaning. Regularly clean and organize your home to maintain a healthy and vibrant energy flow. Dust and dirt are considered obstacles to prosperity and peace.